Figure 19-20 deals with the application and selection of the overloads in accordance with 440.52. Now, in our note, we show a one-line diagram showing the disconnecting switch with the overload, and then also the relays that's ahead of the protection for the compressor. Now, people sometimes will ask the question, what is the difference in a diagram and schematic, and how are they usually used? Well, a diagram just lists the components and the elements that make up the circuitry and their particular location in the diagram. Where a schematic, installers and maintenance people usually use a schematic to troubleshoot, to find a component or something that may be causing a malfunction of the equipment. And basically that's the difference. Now, we have a hermetic motor here of 19 amps. Now, if we use a relay, as you see, then it's 140% of 19. But if we use fuses or a circuit breaker, it's 125%, as you see, using fuses pointing toward the fuse and the disconnect switch. Now, step one, 19 amps times 140%, that relay could be set at 26.6, but no greater, according to this rule. Now, that's in accordance with 440.52A1 as shown. Step 2 now, we're going to apply 440.52A3, and as it shows, 125% of this 19 amps FLA, and 125% of 19 would be 23.8. So you have a relay setting of 26.6, but you have a fuse rating of 23.8, which would usually be 20 amps, or a 20 amp circuit breaker. And that's the application now in the note that you see. You're sizing everything off of 26.6, which would be a setting of the relay, or you could use a 20 amp circuit breaker or fuse based upon the 23.8 calculation that we see in step 2, and that's what the solution in the note is pointing out in this figure 19-20.